Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to show you many cool free items. These items are going to go out of stock, so get your hands on it as soon as possible. Shout out time! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyways, let's get into the video. Firstly, join Dunking Simulator. After you join, go to this NPC and take the quest. Here you have to dunk 3 balls in the basket. Make sure you get it in the green zone to make accurate shots. Watch me. After you are done, click redeem and go again to the NPC. Now, you have to upgrade your range. Follow me. Here, upgrade your range once, and you are done with the quest. Now again, talk to the NPC. This time you have to buy a new ball. Buy the ball here and again go to the NPC. Get the quest and follow me. Here you have to buy any new animation skill. Now do as I do. After you are here, go and talk to the DJ and get the quest. Now, dunk 10 balls in the basket. Watch me. After you are done, go talk to the DJ to claim the free item. You will get this cool headphones for free. Next, join Roblox Inspire 2024 Hub. Here you have to find all the missing letters. So follow me. You will get the free item once you are done. You will get this cool jacket. Join this game. After you join, touch this blue zone and you will be teleported to a new location here. Here go the NPC and get the quest. Here you have to train 2000 agility. I'd recommend you guys using an auto clicker. Just chill for 20 mins and you will be done. After you are done, talk to the NPC to get the free item. You will get this cool black cape. Now, search up for Holiday 2021 and join the game. After joining, wait for the badge to show up. If you get the badge, it means you got the free item. You will get this free cool head accessory. Next, join Metaverse Champions Hub and wait for the badge to show up. Yay! You got the free items from this game. You will get this and 3 more cool outfits for free. Next, search up for Ready Player to Hub and join the game. If this badge pop-ups, it means you got the item. This is the item you get from this game. Join Roblox Innovation Awards 2023. As soon as you join, you will get a free item 1, and if you leave and rejoin, you will get 2 free items. Now go to this big logo and just wait for a second. You will get another free item. Now follow me.
Okay.
Join the Spleef Challenge. All you have to do is to be the last one surviving, so make sure you win the game. Watch me. You will get the badge. These are all the free items you get from this game. Next, join RIA 2023. As soon as you join, you get the first free item. Now follow me. Here you have to complete a 3-stage obby, which is very easy. Watch me doing it like a pro. Once you finish the obby, touch the item to claim it. You will get this cool looking hat and this golden back accessory. Next, join Roblox Innovation Awards Voting Hub. After you join, go to this big Roblox logo. Now wait for the badge to appear. You will get this cool yellow hat. Lastly, join this game. After you join, just wait for a badge to get the free item. You will get this free head accessory.